Hi and welcome to the Farmer's Table. My name is Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today with our Golden Hearts, we'll be making loaded baked potato croquettes. For today's recipe, this is what you will need. Leaving the skins on, cut your Golden Hearts to about a 1 to 1.5 inch cube. Add your potatoes to a large pot of well-salted water. While the potatoes are cooking, pan fry your pancetta or regular bacon until crispy, drain and set aside. When your potatoes are fork tender, drain them, add them to a bowl, and add cream, butter, salt, and pepper. Mash thoroughly until smooth and keep refrigerated for at least a couple of hours. Take out your cold mashed potatoes, mix in the pancetta, chopped green onion, cheddar cheese, 1 egg, and the flour. When thoroughly mixed, return to the fridge to chill for at least 2 hours. Make an egg wash mixture with 2 eggs well beaten and have a separate bowl for your breadcrumbs. Form the mashed potatoes into a ball by rolling them in your hands, dip them in the egg wash, then in the breadcrumbs, set them on a plate to prepare for frying. Continue this process until you've got them all ready to go. Preheat the oil to about 300 degrees, add the croquettes to the oil, cook until golden brown, place on a cookie sheet to drain. Serve with a nice dip of garlic, chives, and sour cream. These will taste exactly like a baked potato, will be an incredible appetizer for any event. Thanks so much for watching The Farmer's Table. We'll see you next time with more Golden Heart recipes. Happy cooking.